Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to another lit video. Today we're gonna review these clippers. I have actually used them, so it's gonna be a short video because I've already opened them. So I just want to give my honest opinion on them because when they came I actually did doubt them, but I've used them a couple of times, and ever since they came I've never charged them. So these are rechargeable hair trimmers. Yeah, I think it's type C. So let's just go through what you get. I just want to tell you more about them, what you get, how much you get them for, and maybe you need something like this because I bought normal hair clippers. But the hair clippers just don't do the job, especially when it comes to beard and just trying to trim right. You know, they're for like overall hair shaving. So I'm just gonna go through it and let me just open it. Don't forget, I already opened this box. I'm just gonna give you information on what you get when you buy these trimmers. All right, so that's it right there. They're about like that size. All right, that's if you want a hand comparison. And these are charged, so you charge this. It's type C. It's a type C charger, and just like that, it's on. Look at how tiny those clippers are. So I've never charged this ever since it came, and it uses 5 volts. So yeah, just a normal charger will do. You don't need fast chargers or anything like that. All right, these clippers come with this oil, which I've already used. So these have a 1mm brush. Come on, okay, they have a brush. They have 4mm. They have, oh lord, 3mm. They have 5mm, and they have 2mm. So another thing they have is the charger. All right, as you can see, I've never used this charger. It's still tangled. I mean, it's still tied up. So just like that, these are good for beard, and they're also good for, you know, if you want to trim your hair. You can actually, okay, don't get me wrong, you can actually shave your hair fully with these trimmers. All right, I don't want to say clippers because those are like different. All right, so what I can say about this is I've never charged them ever since they came, and I'll put the date on when I got these clippers on the screen just to show you. And so far my beard is looking trimmed all the time, every time, even on the sides. I have dreads, but my dreads are not all over, so I just cut my sides. So I always cut those, and my trimmers are still showing a green light to indicate that they're still charged, you know. So I'd say this is a good buy if you don't abuse it and just, you know, use it to cut literally everybody and then come and complain about you not having a good product. All right, so that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.